Hey guys, this is Juan from Temperamento, and today is a very good day. Today is the day that finally my wavetable synthesizer MESA has been released for both iOS and macOS platforms, and it's a one-time purchase. So if you buy it on iOS, you also will have it on macOS and vice versa. One thing I want to show you that is very special, it uses shader technology to sculpt the sounds. And to really understand this, here's the first patch. It's called Boards Pad, and here's the shader attached to it. So it sounds like this. So if I change the shader to something else, it should sound a bit different. Maybe not so much, but let's just see what happens. Wow, that was a lot different. And let's just take another one. It's the Acid 303. This one. As you can see, something is happening. And then you have millions and millions of things that you can actually change here. Vision is really cool. It's how it sees and reads and samples the shader. And as you can see, the shader is animated, it moves. And over here you have different colors that also will affect how it sounds. So it's a lot of fun you can have with this. And then another really powerful feature is that you can create your own shaders very easily via my free web editor that you have here. So for example, I made this code cascade matrix, and then I just added this input node that is basically a modifier, and then I just adjusted it a bit like that, and this is the result. And then this is important, when you are importing to MESA, you need to export as VKO graph, this one, for iOS and macOS. So you do this, and then you download it, and then in MESA, you go down here to load shader, and then you load the shader. And I think I already did that, so I think it should be all the way down here. Let me see, it's called Code Cascade Matrix. Let's load it. So it looks like this, and it sounds like this. Let me just do that. Wow. And we change it. As you can see, it's the same patch, but it will sound extremely different depending on what kind of visual you load. Also, here you can see the visual effects. This one, the modifier is here. So if you add several modifiers to the chain, they will appear here, and you can just adjust how they will affect, which is really cool. And you can of course add your own visual effects here to also. Everything is about making an interesting sound, and also of course make it look really cool. That is very high. Let me just. That's it. Enjoy.